the finished look of this unit. So I have had this unit installed for 2 days, guys. I installed it yesterday, which you guys saw. Now this unit, guys, is absolutely gorgeous. Starting off, this is the first time that I'm working with this company, guys. So this company, hopefully I'm pronouncing the name correctly, is called Kriyya Hair Company. So this unit that I have on, guys, is a 13x4 straight unit, guys. I did get it sent to me in 24 inches, but obviously you guys saw I went ahead and layered this unit off just to give it a little bit more volume. I wanted to do curls in this one versus leaving it straight, just because straight was very, very cute, guys, but I wanted to go ahead and spin it off with a little bit of curls, fall time curls.